So today we're heading down to what's called Romaines Road, down in the Kippens. They're building a new bridge down there. I'll put that into the video too, just for people not from the area so they can see it. And I'm going to try to get some drone footage because there's some beautiful scenery around the area. So I guess the next spot we're going to get video footage of is down by the bridge. Okay, so just up ahead over this hill is where the new bridge is to, and we turns down to the right, just past the bridge is where the road is. I did a previous video of this spot last summer, but back then I never had a good drone to get some nice footage, so I'll add that into a video now. Right around this turn you'll see the new bridge that they're constructing. They finished up for the winter, but I guess now pretty soon they'll be getting back at it again. Because the bridge we're about to drive on here, the bottom is just about gone right out of her. So yeah, so time for an upgrade.
How old is this bridge?
This bridge here is from the 80s, I believe. Mid to late 80s. So here is the trail we're driving down. About, I don't know, maybe a kilometer in as far as we can get for now because there's too much snow going in the hills. And what I'm going to do now is take the phone out of the holder here and see if I can zoom in where the waterfall is. That white patch line going down the side of the mountain is the waterfalls I was at last year. I did a video of. Beautiful spot. A little rough going to get there, but it's a beautiful spot. Alright, so we just got up to Romaines, as far in as we can get, and this is a beautiful spot too. The river flows down through here, and here's where the Jeep is. And see if I can back up and show you where the trail is that's buried in snow. Over there is where the road is. You can see it going up the hill. And the snow where it's melting and everything is kind of salty and everything right now, so it's hard to get traction. It don't compact or nothing, so there's no sense to even try. I mean, I'm sure if we worked it back and forth we could make our way up there, but we're going to walk up the riverbed as far as we can go, and then I'm going to try flying the drone. And I'm hoping to get some footage of the waterfalls up there. I don't know how far the drone could reach. I'm still not used to it yet, but give it a try and see what happens, I suppose. So here goes nothing. And we're going to walk up the side of the river here and see how far we can walk. A little bit chilly today, but it is a beautiful day to be doing stuff like this. Oh yeah, forgot the harnesses for the dogs. Oh well. I don't think we're going to find anybody else up here today anyway. Alright, we're getting into some rough rocks, so I'm going to pause this video for now. And if it gets any smoother up ahead, I'll start recording again. Okay, after making it a nice ways up here, and pretty nice scenery here. Give it a little 360 view. We came from way down there. You can't even see the Jeep anymore. And I don't know how far we're going to make it, but we're going to go as far as we can, get as close as we can to the waterfall, and hopefully get a nice little video on the go here. And back almost to the rough rocks again, so I'm going to have to pause the video. There's Tank and Zoe. enjoying the exploring, all kinds of new sniffs for them. He loves that. Alright, it's really rough, so I'm going to pause this again now. Okay, so we just came from down there. We just walked up this little part of the hill here because it's too narrow down below there to walk, so. Hello there, Brett. That white patch way over in the distance, that's the power lines. And just up past that is where I videotaped that abandoned farm. Yeah, I don't know how much further way to get. It's getting pretty rough going here now. I hear some rock slides over there. But we'll see if we go a bit further. I just noticed right there is a beautiful little swimming hole. It's nice and deep. Nice spot to come in the summertime. Park the tractor right there on the other side. Have a fire in that. Sounds like a good plan. Alright, on we go. Alright, so we just climbed up this hill here, right there. We were over there, way over there in the highest bank, and it's just a big drop off, so we left there, came back over here and came up here. And beautiful views, of course. And the road is just right over there. So we're gonna head over to the road. Alright everyone, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Got some pretty good footage. I was expecting the waterfalls to be a bit more rapid, but the water level is just really low. I mean, get a couple more rainfalls falling, we'll probably get some better footage, but it is what it is. I mean, the DJI Mini did a really good job. I found it no problem in that. I still got to find out some more of the features on that drone because I don't know much about it yet, but learn about it as I go along, I guess, you know, that's all the fella can do. So until the next video, hope you like this one, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe and like and all that stuff.